Hi everyone, and I am Sonia Asrani. I welcome you all today to the Sigil Advanced Sigil Workshop, and
Thank you so much.
I hope the screen is visible to all of you.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So firstly, I'll just introduce myself since all of you just know me only through Instagram. So, hi everyone, I am Sonia Asrani, an ISO certified occult practitioner. I'm practicing modalities like tarot card reading, sound healing, sigil manifestation, runes, and a lot more since 5 to 6 years at least. As the founder of Enchant Like Capricorn, I have helped around 700 plus students and 1500 clients find clarity, heal, and they grow as well. Let's embark this journey of transformation of sigil magic with all of you today. Let's all know first thing that
वो छोटी
can
चढ़ी थी
we all have y'all on mute?
उसको बड़ी कौन थी तो वो
Okay. First of all, how many of you know about what sigils actually are? Let's know.
Um,
How many of you know what sigils are? Y'all can leave
well,
yourself unmute for some time so that we can have a little more on an interaction basis.
so yes, I'm aware
How
of
many of
sigils a bit, but sigils are usually used as manifestation tools.
Mhm.
They are basically symbols, but they are basically incantations or a kind of manifestation you want to bring to life, and they are set turned into a kind of a symbol like the Ankh, like the Egyptian Ankh, ANKH.
Mhm.
That's a
Okay.
sigil.
Okay. How many else know about sigil? Himani knows. Hi, Raksha. Amit is a complete newbie. Akansha knows little. Have heard about them, Jenu. What about the rest of you? How many of the rest of
yeah
y'all are just complete newbies?
no I know
Hello.
sigil little
You
bit.
know what sigils are.
Yeah. It's a symbolic sign of magical symbols kind of.
Yes, yes. So sigil is a complete manifestation thing today, what we're going to learn. What we're going to do is completely new in your thing. Now, what exactly are sigils? That is right. Sigils are a meaning, a stamp. Now, when we go, कोई भी government documentation आपके पास आता है, एक stamp आता है उसके ऊपर. It is their seal. It is a thing that हमने वो चीज दी है आपको. एक assurity होता है. Universe doesn't work on only on your words. Universe works on symbols. उनके जो तरीके होते हैं जो कॉन्वर्सेशन के तरीके होते हैं हमारे यूनिवर्स के साथ इज नॉट अ नॉर्मल कॉन्वर्सेशन दैट आई एम हैविंग टुडे विद यू पीपल टुडे आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू सीमा सो universe is not going to understand that. Got it? So sigils are basically, they mean seal over here. So I hope all of you are making your own notes because I think मैं जब share कर रही हूँ screen वो lag हो रहा है. That is the reason why. So sigils are basically a symbol that is created to represent a desire or an intention that is believed to hold energy and help you focus the mind. People use sigils as a seal when they make their wish that they wanted to come into reality. And it helps them to turn their thoughts into actions and those actions into clarity. यूनिवर्स के साथ हम जितनी क्लैरिटी के साथ बात करेंगे उतना ही हमारे लिए अच्छी चीज होती है दैट इज हाउ वी कैन मेक आवर सिजिल्स आल्सो द मोर क्लैरिटी द मोर थॉट you have the less of your confusions into your mind that is how you can make that is how the universe will understand you now how do these sigils work these sigils work with clearing your all your negative thoughts whatever is your negative thoughts जैसे अभी as an example मैंने ये thought ले लिया कि मुझे तो वेट लॉस करना है, इट इज अ गुड थॉट, बट एट द सेम टाइम आप वो चीज के अंदर ले लोगे कि मैं ये चीज ऐसा करूंगी वैसा करूंगी, यू आर कंफ्यूजिंग योर माइंड, यू आर कंफ्यूजिंग द एनर्जीज व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू शोकेस, व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू मेक इन योर थिंग. So, how do sigils work? They help you in clearing your negative thoughts and creating an idea into your subconscious mind. That is what we want and what you can achieve in your thing. You have to have a very clear goal in your life. They help you clear your mental limitations and your potentials, replacing them with all your positive energy, replacing them with all your positive energies. These symbols communicate directly with your subconscious mind, clearing your mental blocks and activating your manifestations. There's a very simple process of how your sigils are going to work and how do you make them. What are sigils? कुछ complications नहीं है sigils के अंदर, कुछ सही कुछ गलत कुछ भी नहीं है उसके अंदर. Whatever way you're doing it, whatever thought you're doing it, it's just that you have to have a little more clarity on it. अब अगर मैं कह रही हूं कि मुझे मेरे पास ये महीने में आई एम गोना गेट एन इंसेंटिव, बट वो इंसेंटिव के साथ मैं क्या क्या करूंगी, you will have 10 things in your mind what you want to do out of them. I want to purchase a house. I've got to give in the house. I have to do this. I have to purchase for my thing. I'm planning a trip since so long. This is what I'm planning to do. You are having a lot of ideas into your mind, loads of things. Channelize that energy in one thing. अगर आपके पास इंसेंटिव आई है, सबसे पहली प्रायोरिटी क्या है आपके अंदर? घर में पैसे देना, सेविंग्स करना. These are your first two priorities. These are very clear thoughts of yours. Make your sigils for those. All clear so far? Everyone with me? I can get a thumbs up. All clear? Everyone else, please leave your cameras on. Otherwise, I will not know where are y'all and where am I. Okay? There are 6 different methods which are there in the sigil course that is there. The first method that we utilize is the most classic and beginner friendly. हम जैसे कहते हैं, a lot of you or majority of you, what I read in the polls that y'all have done is that y'all are housewives. हाउसवाइफ्स कहते हैं कि हमारे पास तो टाइम ही नहीं है कुछ करने का, कुछ सोचने का. हाउ डू वी डू दिस, हाउ डू वी क्लियर आवर थॉट्स. हमारे पास बच्चे भी है, हमें सिजिल बच्चे के लिए भी बनाना है. सबसे पहले अपने आप के लिए बनाना लाइफ में. ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट. So your first method is the most easiest, the most classic and beginner friendly. Your second method is something that we use for protection. Akansha, I'll finish with this slide and then I'll take your question. Yeah. Your third method is for deep consciousness and your transformations. Your fourth method is for emotional healing. Fifth method is for protection and ritual practitioners. And your sixth method is going to be for business and for money. There are 6 different methods that you all will learn in this course, which is not going to take place today, but you all will know well. Okay? Okay. Akansha, you can ask your question.
How many sigil a person can make at a time?
You can make multiple sigils at a time. But at the same time, like I said, एक ही चीज एक एनर्जी के ऊपर लगाओगे, so it will be much better for you. So as a beginner friendly, I will recommend do one sigil at a time, see your results to it, then you make a next sigil. But if you're questioning me that I have a sigil, how many sigil can I make for my family members and everyone? One sigil per person you can create. ठीक है? Anyone else has any other queries? Can I repeat the fifth one? Yes, I will repeat the fifth method also. The fifth method of yours is for protection and ritual practitioners. All clear? If it's all clear, then write CC at least in the chat box. I know because a lot of you are still not putting on your cameras. Okay, now how many of you are ready? Yes, beyond hopes, I would be sharing the recordings. How many of you are ready to learn the first method? That is your basic method, a beginner method, classic method. Everyone has their books and pens, everything ready. All of you have it?
Yes, yes.
Very good. Now let's know what is the first method. उसकी core energy क्या है? उसकी core energy जो है, जो पहला method हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं, the method works through your subconscious symbolism, simplicity and intentions compression. You are turning your words into a very clear symbolic energy stack, जिसके बारे में हमने बात किया था. ठीक है? Now what is it best used for? The best method or the best reason why is it used for is manifestation, for your confidence, for self-love, for attraction, for daily affirmations, and for your personal growth. So personal goals, personal growth, anything that is related to you, that is where you can utilize the first method. ठीक है? The energy of this sigil is very soft but steady. कोई भी चीज, अब like I mentioned, weight loss. कल उठ के मैंने सिजिल बना दिया. आप बोलोगे मैम मैंने तो सिजिल बना दिया वेट लॉस के ऊपर, लेकिन मेरा तो वेट लॉस हुआ ही नहीं, क्योंकि मैं तो सिजिल बना के, मैं तो आपने जो मेथड सिखाए थे मैंने तो वैसे ही किए. Again, weight loss is something which is a very slow moving kind of a thing. So first thing, focus on yourself, on something that you need like an instant thing. Okay? Energy of this is slow and steady. It is personal, easy to charge repeatedly, and flexible. This method is like planting a seed. आपने कोई भी एक seed ले लिया, plant कर दिया, और उसको रोज आप water करोगे, रोज उसको energize करोगे, रोज आपके लिए best है. So you can use affirmations, which is for your personal thing, for your personal growth. Okay? This method is going to be strongest when your intention is emotional, affirmation is short and clear, and you have not done it like on a very, or you do it on a very repeated time. As an example, I receive abundance. I am a money magnet. So these are things that we utilize on a daily basis. And ye cheeze, we are doing it for ourselves. I am the chosen one. I am the Lord's daughter or son or child. Okay? So you can use these kind of short, crisp affirmations in this particular method. Avoid this method when you are very emotionally unstable, when your intentions are too complicated into your life, when you're trying to influence many people at one thing. Influence many people at one thing means you are trying to influence a lot of things. I'm a money magnet, I am calm, I am this, I am that, I am the chosen one. You're having multiple things. So avoid this particular method. Okay? Or when you're talking about heavy protection or your banishment work. Heavy protection, which means we are talking about a completely negative aspect, which is not your Reiki healing, which is not your white magic. Clear? So far, all clear? Please write a CC if it's all clear. All CC, all clear? Lovely. So we move to the first step method of doing it, which I mentioned to you. Okay, a first method that I will use, I'll use a very simple affirmation, that is, I am abundant. जैसे मैंने आप लोगों को बहुत सिंपल सा चीज पहले बताया, बहुत सिंपल सा पहले वाला ले लेते हैं. मैं सबसे पहला वाला ले लेती हूँ. I am abundant. Okay. I am गाइस अपना माउस छोड़ दो ताकि मैं अपना माउस यूज कर पाऊं. ओके,
Sonia.
आई एम अबंडेंट. नाउ सबसे पहला स्टेप क्या होएगा हमारा इसके अंदर, दैट आई विल
Son-
कट डाउन ऑल माय वावल्स इन देम. दैट इज गोइंग टू बी आई, ए, यू, ए. I am left with alphabets, that is going to be M, B, N, D, N, T. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, iske baad what will I do is, I will remove my repeated numbers. So, repeated alphabets, sorry. So, that will be left with M, B, N, D, and T. Clear? Step 1 clear, step 2 clear, step 3 clear? Okay. अब मैं इसके बाद क्या करूंगी, आई विल मेक अ सर्कल. एक प्रॉपर सर्कल ले लेंगे. अब इसके अंदर आई विल टेक माई फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट, दैट विल बी एन एम. सो आई विल मेक एन एम हियर. We will do this again. ठीक है. सो मेरा एम हो गया, मैंने उसको कैंसिल आउट कर दिया बिकॉज आई नो दैट इज माई अल्फाबेट विच इज ऑलरेडी फिनिश्ड. नेक्स्ट आई विल टेक बी. नाउ माई नेक्स्ट अल्फाबेट दैट आई विल मेक can start from anywhere. It can, but it has to be connecting the line. So it can either be starting from here, from here, from here. It can go over this thing for once. So B यहाँ पर कर सकती हूँ. I can make a B here. I can do anything in that. There is no right, no wrong, as I explained to you in the start. ठीक है? So I will make my B यहाँ पर. Now I have done with my B. I'll make my N here. I'll make my D यहाँ पर. ठीक है. And I'll make my T as a very small thing over here. मैं उसको overlap कर रही हूँ क्योंकि my pen is a little slow, that is why. ठीक है. So this is my sigil that I have created, which I have done. It's not a compulsion. अब मैंने जो हिसाब से बनाया है आप सेम बनाओ, आपकी क्रिएटिविटी के ऊपर है. So if you have not made your N here, you can even make your N here. The only condition of making a sigil is that ये पूरा sigil आपका has to be inside within the sigil, within the circle. So it can even touch your circle lines. You can even start making your sigil from touching your circle lines. It's just that your alphabets do not have to go outside the circle. All clear? All clear, everyone? Okay. Chalo. Let's take an affirmation from you people now. Chalo. You can put in your affirmations in the chat box and I'll choose one. Picture nahi aa rahi. Kaun si picture? Come on, guys. Y'all don't have any affirmations? You don't have any desires? I am strong. I'm money magnet. I am a money magnet. I am blessed with abundance. I am master manifestator. I am spiritual. I am losing 15 kgs. I am universe. Okay. So I think money is which is going currently. I am healthy and blessed. I am money magnet. I'm master manifestator. This is all. I am a successful person. चलो चलो, और क्या है? और कोई affirmation नहीं है? I am blessed person of this universe. Okay. I am richest person. This is nice. ठीक है, चलो, I'll take this. I am richest person लेते हैं. Okay. So, I am doing this again for you. That is why. I am richest person. ठीक है? अब सबसे पहले, those of you who missed out, please do this. Please hear it very clearly again. In this, we will first remove out our vowels. So, I will first remove out our vowels. That is going to be I. Okay. I am left with M, R, C, H, S, T, P, R, S, N. Remove all my double words. M, R, C, H, S, T, P, R, S, N. ओके, इसमें तो कुछ है ही नहीं डबल आपका. ठीक है? दिस इज गोना बी अ वेरी नाइस एंड बिग सिजिल. अब इसके बाद मैंने क्या किया? आई रिमूव माई सर्कल, मेड माई सर्कल. ठीक है? आई एम रिचेस्ट पर्सन. ओके. I will. Okay.
Ma'am, R is twice.
Sorry.
R is twice, right?
MRCHSTPSN. Lovely. At least I know you all are figuring things out, and you all are hearing and you all are seeing
मैम
things.
एस भी है
S आपका. Very good.
S is 2 times.
So ये फाइनल हुआ. फाइनल हुआ. सबने देख लिया? सबकी नजर आई? Proper?
Yes.
यस.
Then we'll start with our first alphabet. Now see, I choose the alphabet M or an H for a reason why I take an M or an H first. Because ये दोनों के ऊपर जो walls है are very big. अगर मैंने H कर दिया सबसे पहले, ओके, ये मैंने H ले लिया. I have a lot of space on it to utilize. ठीक है? So I have done with my H first. Then I will take my R over here. Then I have S. Kavita, give me 2 minutes. S.
मैम
T.
लाइन को ओवरलैप कर सकते हैं?
जैसे के
जैसे कि आपने एच के ऊपर आर किया तो आर नीचे से स्टार्ट किया ना लाइन के ऊपर।
यस, आप ओवरलैप कर सकते हो, बट ओवरलैपिंग आप सिर्फ एक बार कर सकते हो
पूरे सिगल में या एक वर्ड पे?
पूरे सिजिल में। मतलब आप एक वर्ड पे, जैसे अभी मैंने ये ले लिया, सो दिस कैन बी ओनली वन, दिस कैन बी ओनली वन एंड दिस कैन बी ओनली वन। मैं इसके ऊपर, अब मैंने जैसे आर बना दिया, मैंने इसके
हम्म।
ऊपर ही मैंने एन कर दिया ऐसा। सो वी कैन नॉट डू दिस, क्योंकि आप क्या
ओके।
कर रहे हो, आप एक अल्फाबेट को दूसरे अल्फाबेट के अंदर डाल रहे हो,
हम्म।
एंड देन यू आर गोइंग टू कंफ्यूज द होल थिंग अगेन।
हम्म।
मगर मैम इनकेस अगर हमने ऊपर जैसे भी एक टी लिया है, टी के नीचे ही हमने आर बनाया तो चलेगा क्या?
यस यू कैन। आप यहाँ पर
मतलब
बोल रहे हो
ऊपर,
राइट, ऐसा?
हाँ जहाँ टी है ना, नहीं एच के साथ ही, एच वाली लाइन फर्स्ट रैंक के साथ ही अगर बनाया हो तो।
तो आप बोल रहे हो यहाँ पर, 1 मिनट, यहाँ पर बोल रहे हो आप?
हाँ,
हाँ, कर सकते हो आप।
वहां पे आर भी बनाया, मतलब आर नीचे लिया और ऊपर टी का साइन दे दिया।
मतलब अब यहाँ से मतलब अब यहाँ से टी बोल रहे हो? नहीं,
नहीं ऊपर ऊपर।
करेक्ट, यू आर सेइंग वन मोर ना, कि मैं यहाँ से एक और
डन,
करूँ, राइट?
एक मिनट, कैन आई शो यू?
या
यहाँ पे मैंने टी बनाया फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैंने जैसे मतलब बनाया है मैं आपको बता रही हूँ। यहाँ पे जो आर है ना उसकी जगह पर मैंने पहले एम ले लिया,
ओके।
और फिर यहाँ पे नीचे मैंने आर ले लिया। नो आई ट्राइड इट, ऐसे चल सकता है क्या?
नहीं, नहीं, नो।
नहीं।
इफ यू आर यूजिंग, यू यूज द होल स्टिक,
हाँ।
you use the whole stick,
ओके
you don't use one stick divided by two alphabets,
ओके ओके।
you use one stick. ठीक है?
हाँ
Kavita,
यस,
you wanted to ask
थैंक यू।
something? I come.
Yeah, ma'am, I wanted to know can we start from any alphabet, or are there any specific alphabets that we need to start with?
I was coming to, after finishing with the sigil, you can start with any alphabet. There is nothing which is right, nothing that is wrong, nothing that we have to abide by, क्योंकि M सबसे पहले आया तो M को ही लेना है हमें, ऐसा कुछ नहीं। The reason why I told you M या हम H पहले लेते हैं, I consider that first, because like you see, अब मैंने अगर सोचो, अगर मैंने ये सेम सिजिल के ऊपर मैंने आपका पहले ले लिया R, ओके, मैंने आर ले लिया, यू डोंट हैव मच वॉल ओनली टू गेट योर अदर अल्फाबेट्स अटैच टू, आपके पास जगह ही नहीं है वो चीज के लिए। सो दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई वी टेक एम और एन एच, बिकॉज वो बड़े वर्ड्स हैं आपके, बड़े अल्फाबेट्स हैं आपके, ठीक है? एंड आफ्टर यू मेकिंग वन बिग अल्फाबेट, उसके बाद देयर इज नथिंग व्हिच इज राइट और रॉन्ग, यू हैव टू गो विद द सीरीज हाउ इट इज। ठीक है, मैं सिजिल कंप्लीट करूं अब? ओके,
यस
I'll go back to my M. ठीक है,
यस मैम।
M, R, H, Mm, 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 mm. I can't do that. Sorry. One second, I will read that question. ठीक है? So this is my sigil. This is my creativity. This is how I felt मेरे alphabets could be fitted over here in a better way. Now, how are you all feeling? What creativity you have is completely on to you. What if we want M or H also? Can I share my pick to know if it's correct? I will ask you to share it. Okay. So this is how we make our sigils. All clear so far? सबके लिए CC? मैं ये बोर्ड बंद करूंगी तो शायद ग्लिच आएगा. I will come back in 2 seconds अगर ग्लिच हुआ तो. Coming to all clear. That's lovely. Someone wanted to showcase their sigil. Malini, can you raise your hand so I can put you on your spotlight?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Spotlight for
Can I
everyone.
share?
Yes, you can show your sigil.
Mm.
Okay. Now, again, I missed telling you
Hmm.
all this. You cannot put your sigil in a reverse. Not missed because this was आगे आगे की चीजें के लिए मेरे लिए. But you cannot
Reverse
put
mean the
the
S1.
alphabet in reverse. Now, if you see your T is put in a reverse, you made your M in a reverse.
Okay, okay, okay.
So all your alphabets have to be put in a proper alphabet way, the correct way.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Got it? So your T
Thank you.
cannot go like this and M cannot go like that.
Okay.
ठीक है? वो M को you can take it
Hmm.
on the corner of that. Instead of you doing it on the left side, you can do it on the right
Even
side.
on.
So you are not
Okay.
utilizing that stick, but you're using the
Hmm.
point of that P.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Thank you.
Welcome. In
What
this
about C? Yeah. What about C?
grade,
Is that
C
okay?
is again, C also you have to connect it to some other line at least. Like
Okay,
I
so it
said,
cannot be flying. It all have to be connected.
yes, all your alphabets have to
Okay.
be connected. And your
Okay.
alphabets have to be within your circle.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
ठीक है?
Thank you. And yeah, what if we don't have M and H? So how do we go
If
about?
you don't have M or H, you will have some other alphabet definitely, which is going to give you a lot of wall.
Okay.
जैसे N हो गया, या तो फिर
Hmm.
you see which are the other alphabets, Z हो गया.
Hmm.
आप कोई भी
Okay.
दूसरे alphabets ले सकते हो which are going to be big, which come into
Okay.
your. ठीक है?
Thank
Nirmala,
you.
you're welcome. You're on mute. You also want to show your sigil?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we put you on spotlight. Okay. It is not too clear. Okay, what about this? This is थोड़ा आगे लो. M, okay, H, T, M, R, S, E. This is fine. This is fine. Yes, I would be sharing the recording. This is absolutely fine. ठीक है? Yes, Kavita. Okay. Kavita, Himani, I will put one at a time. Yes. You will have to remove the blur background or either put the page directly to the camera. नहीं. Blur background को ही निकाल दो आप.
I'll just do that.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, it is. Again, your N is coming as a Z, which is wrong. Like I mentioned just now for T, M is proper, R is proper, C is proper, S is proper, T is proper, P is proper. P and R, again, no. P and R, P and R में आपने H लिया पहले, right?
Yeah.
Then it is proper.
So only the N is not proper, right?
Yes. Because your alphabet is going reverse.
Is going reverse.
You have to do it on the right way.
Okay.
ठीक है? Okay. Spotlight to everyone. Yes, Himani. You're on mute.
Ma'am, this
Yeah.
one is mine.
Again, you will also have to remove the blur.
The
I can see little at least. T, R, S, M. Okay, this is fine.
here it is N and P. Here.
Yes, I got that. That is fine. You can
Okay.
utilize
Fine.
that, no? N का
Okay.
stick use कर सकते हो ना आप?
हाँ?
N का stick use कर सकते हो आप, मैंने
कर
कहा.
सकते हैं ना? Okay.
Of
Okay.
course, of course. So that is right. ठीक है?
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Yes, Priya. This will be last क्योंकि मेरे पास इसके बाद I'll have to do a lot of question answers also with you all इसके लिए.
Let it be. I can't do that, River.
It's okay. आप बता
Yeah.
दो.
I don't know how to like camera.
कैमरा को आप सीधा रखो, ऐसा सीधा रखो और आप
हाँ.
ऐसा फ्रंट कैमरा से वैसा दिखा दो आप.
Okay, 1 second, 1 second. Yeah, I
हाँ
can
जी.
do that.
ओके. अगेन आपका एन नीचे जो आपने बनाया है वो गलत है.
Okay.
जैसे मैंने आपको कहा कि वो रिवर्स जा रहा है.
हाँ.
तो टी है वो एन है, टी है. तो दैट इज फाइन. दैट इज
हाँ,
फाइन.
हाँ, T है, फिर N बाजू में है, फिर
Right.
नीचे C है और फिर M है.
आपका सी मुझे नहीं दिख रहा इसमें.
T के नीचे C है.
करेक्ट. तो आप अगर टी के नीचे सी करोगे तो वो सी आपका सर्कल के बाहर जाएगा.
हाँ, ओके ओके.
तो सर्कल के बाहर तो जाना ही नहीं है ना आपका अल्फाबेट.
जाना नहीं है. नहीं,
ठीक
ये
है.
सब H के अंदर है, H के अंदर है.
हाँ, बट आपका सी विजिबल नहीं है मुझे. आप जैसे ही ग्रुप खुलेगा ना आप उसमें आपका वाला आप डाल सकते हो.
ओके ओके, ठीक है, ठीक है. थैंक यू.
Welcome. Okay, a little bit of a thumb rules or some rules about the basic sigil rule. अब जब हम सर्कल बनाते हैं, your circle has to be clockwise and it has to be made in one single method, like in one single shot, not method but one single shot. So either you keep a small bangle with you, या तो फिर you can keep those compass with you, या तो एक कटोरी रख दो वो साइज का आपके साथ कि मैंने ये साइज का ही बनाना है. ठीक है. So because it has to be made in one thing. All clear? So far everyone all clear? Simple. बहुत इजी था आज का क्लास.
यस.
बहुत सिंपल था ना. अब बताओ, अब किस किस को बाकी के सारे मेथड्स जो है सीखने हैं. अब बताओ. Put it all in the chat box. Let's know you all through chat box. How many of you want to, on which paper we have to make the sigil? वो तो आपको सिखाया जाएगा in the advanced class. है ना? Which paper, what color combinations, how exactly more in depth you have to make all of this. ठीक है? So we'll show the Khyati. Are you there? Before I move to Khyati, before she tells me, anyone else has any other questions regarding the course today? Any other questions? Kavita, you're on mute.
Ma'am,
Anyone?
just wanted to know if we are taking the first alphabet, either M, H, N, or whatever, according to our affirmation. So, all the other following alphabets have to be connected to the the single alphabet. I mean, all now, for example, I had taken.
One. It's not only to the single one, but you can connect it to any other alphabets.
I can connect it to any other alphabet also. So if I've taken H as center and I need to add C and S. So if I've taken T, then I can connect C and S to T also.
Yes, you can.
Okay.
You can.
Okay. Thank you.
Akansha Singh, you say you're confused. Can you please put on your camera and then I can answer your question? Oh, you're there. Sorry. What are you so confused about?
Ma'am, as I have seen so many sigils, just they are not alphabets, different types of sigils or some numerical,
Yes.
they
Yes,
are
they are.
different.
They are there, no? So when I told you there are 6 different methods, no? So
In
you
this
have different other method. आज आपने जो सीखा आपने सिर्फ एक ही मेथड सीखा, बट इसके अलावा 5 और है जिसमें आपके बहुत सारे अदर डिफरेंट क्रिएटिविटी आपकी एनहांस होगी.
I had a question, if you don't mind.
Yes, Prince.
So, like I just told you that I've been doing tarot for almost 1.5 years, right? So, in regarding to that, like I'm sure you're aware of the frequencies that are there, right? So each letter carries a frequency, if I'm not wrong, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So same way with our chakras, certain letters, if they are connected with our chakras, how does it? If you can give me a glimpse of how it relates to tarot, how it can connect them,
How does
because
it
I'm
connect to
aware.
tarot? As in?
Yes. Intention setting, they have, each intention has a different frequency, right? So
Yes.
and how does the intention setting affect the cards? Like I'm aware that since you do reading, so each question will of course relate to a frequency which further relates to tarot, right?
They do not affect your tarot at all. Sigils
Okay.
do not affect your tarot at all. It
Yeah.
is not going to play around with your tarot frequencies at all. Now, when you're going to do tarot, it helps you in telling people that what remedy it can utilize, right? It even
Yeah,
tells
of
you,
course.
correct? Sigil
Yeah.
is a remedy that you're going to give out to your clients.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
I said, when you do tarot reading, it gives you a way of how you give out your remedies, correct, to people? कि आप either
Yes.
meditation or you do this. This is how it is going to help you, or this is how it is going to match you and everything. So this sigil is again a remedy that you would be giving out to your clients.
Okay. So it's basically just an intention setting method, right?
Yes, it is very clear intention setting method, which is told to you in the starting only. All right. So हम चले फिर कोर्स कंटेंट देखने के लिए कि क्या क्या सिखाया जाएगा कोर्स के अंदर, कौन से मेथड्स है. चले हम. Okay, so coming to it, now what are we going to have in the course with you people? What are sigils? History and origin of sigils. How sigils work. What are the different methods? Your method 1 for your simple man manifestation. Method 2 for protection and stability. Method 3 for deep consciousness and transformation. Method 4 for emotional healing and flow. Method 5 for ritual and advanced practices. Method 6 for money, business, and real world outcomes. Method, all these 6 methods. Core energy best used for, what are their strengths, what weaknesses that if you are under, what are the weaknesses, then you can have those methods you cannot utilize and which you can utilize. Nature and energy of each method, which each method works the best, when to avoid certain methods, how to energize and banish sigils, which method should not be mixed, differences between all your methods, way to use your sigils for manifestation, sigil intention writing, worksheet. There'll be a worksheet also which will be given to you guys at that time. Jahan par y'all will be given, when y'all are setting out your intentions, kaise, how y'all have to, पूरा एक worksheet दिया जाएगा, step by step process, so that y'all do not miss that process also while giving it across. Common questions that people would ask, guidance to become professional sigil expert, practice sessions which will be happening. There'll be a list of affirmations. हर एक category, आपकी health, आपकी wealth, in your home, with your kids, whatever are your aspects, all your aspects, there'll be a list of powerful affirmations. And last, there will be a live query solving session, which I would be taking place for you people. This entire course is going to be completely live, and I would be taking them. I would be properly being there with you physically, like how I am today with y'all, clearing all your things, teaching y'all. The classes are going to be conducted at 9 to 10 in the night, and it will start off from the 18th of May. Okay? The price of it originally was 9,000, but for this particular session, those people who pay up right now and those people who pay up later on also, the price is going to be only 3,299. Okay? And those people who make the payment now, there is a small bonus also for you people. And that is, y'all will get a free customized sigil for yourself by me. So I would be working on it. I'll be sitting with y'all, having a proper one-on-one conversation, and then a sigil will be customized for you people, which will be energized, which will be taught to you how you have to utilize it also. Any other queries, guys? That's it. बहुत सिंपल था क्लास, मतलब बहुत इजी था या बहुत कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट कर दिया मैंने आप लोगों के लिए?
क्लास बहुत सिंपल था। फॉर मी द टाइमिंग इज द बैरियर, मतलब नाइट 9 to 10, it's a little bit difficult for me for making that.
See, the reason why I kept it 9 to 10, I have a reason, because there are a lot of people who are either office goers or either
I
they are
can,
home.
yes,
So
I can
that is
understand.
so I have kept that timing based out on those. But if we have joinees and they are okay with an earlier time, I am absolutely fine. I shall adjust my other classes accordingly then. That completely depends on how many people or how is it joining in. The charges are 3,299. And if you make the payment now, then you get the bonus. आप अच्छा सिखाते हो. Thank you so much. ठीक है? What are the other reasons why you all are stuck with the payments? Let me also know with y'all. One set timings. Do you teach tarot? Yes, I do teach tarot also. I do teach tarot also, Sunaina. You can get in touch with my team or you can contact me directly. I am also available into that group with y'all. So if there's any other queries apart from this, y'all can drop it into the group. And
Hi, Sonia, Khyati this side.
As for Sigil, it's quite simple. It's not that complicated at all, because it's basically just intention setting and
Okay.
yeah. So you're just setting an intention and you're creating a symbol to lock your intention in. As how she said, it's a seal. So it's sealing your intention on an inscription.
Okay, so that is something I agree. I don't disagree. But at the same time, everyone manifests something or the other, right? You will agree.
Very true.
At the same time, what is important is how fast that manifestation actually turns into reality. That is
Yeah.
where sigil helps. And I guess you all have learned word sigil as of now, right? The
Sorry?
method one,
Yes,
which
it's a
was very
simplified method.
beginner friendly. Whereas if you move forward, the method two, which was for emotional healing. For example, people come, I go through depression. People are going like psychiatrists, psychologists. There you can give them those sigils. And not just yourself or your family, you can help
I know
people. You can
it's
make it
available to
as a
anyone.
career.
Right? It's
Yeah.
available to Anyone can do
And
it.
then
There's no
energizing
limitation.
it is more important. How
Yeah.
you set those
It's how,
intention for the other person,
yes, it's how
right? That is
strong the
what you will learn
intuition
in the
is.
main course.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's basically just taking a thought and turning it into an
Mm-hmm.
intuition and turning that into a manifestation via sealing it. So it's not that complicated as for me, since I already did
See,
tarot.
honestly, nothing is complicated. People make it complicated. Nothing
Yeah,
is
that's true.
complicated. Even if I'll ask Sonia ma'am about tarot today, she'll be like, I can do that in my dreams as well. I can do that while half asleep. And trust me, she does that. I had like being
Of
a
course.
team, I had called her at 2 a.m. like, okay, ma'am, I'm going through this. Can you help me with this? And she was right available at 2 a.m. It is that
That's
easy for her
amazing.
because she knows how to do it. If you know that drill, it is very easy for you. If you don't know, it is not.
Of course, anyone doing it for the first time is going to be difficult for them.
Right.
Yeah. So that's what I said. I do tarot, so I know how intuition setting works or
Exactly.
manifestation works. I even do pranic healing, so yes, so I have an idea of all of the workings of all
Exactly.
this. Yeah.
Makes sense. Hi Pravina. For this, you can just drop a text to me. I am the admin in the group, and I'll just help you out with the courses we have as of now.
Yeah, it was a very good session. Sorry, I'm driving, so I cannot open the camera.
No worries.
But very good session.
Thank you. Thank you.